Hi everybody, welcome back to another video for a walk around on Puente Hills Hyundai. I'm Jonathan Martinez, and today we'll be looking at the all-new 2022 Hyundai Sonata. This is the limited trim level, so we'll have all the upgraded features. The Sonata is available in a 1.6 turbo, which is the one we'll be driving today, a 2.5 and a 2.5 turbo as well. And as soon as we get those in, we'll be going through a drive-through on those as well. Alright everybody, so now we'll be driving the Sonata, see how well it handles, and go over all the features. Of course, with the Sonata, you're going to have the shift-by-wire transmission. So foot on the brake and press whatever gear you want, park, reverse, neutral, or drive. You do have different drive modes on this car. So right now we are on normal, nothing changes with the vehicle. It has sport mode, so it'll give you a little bit more of that get up and go. It'll also stiffen up the steering wheel to give you better control on the higher speeds. It has smart mode, which will automatically change the drive mode for you depending on how you are driving. So if it notices you're kind of cruising a little bit more, switches itself into like a normal or eco mode. If it notices you're trying to get more of that acceleration, it'll switch itself into sport mode. That way you don't have to worry about hitting the toggle switch. You also have a custom mode. Custom mode is going to be, you can change the transmission and the steering to whatever you prefer. So if you want to have the steering as a sport mode, but the transmission in normal, you can do that. Or reverse it, you can have the steering in normal, but the transmission in sport mode. You do have a 360 camera, and with that comes the blinkers. So with the blinkers, you'll have your blind view monitor, they call it. So the camera will appear on the left side or the right side, depending on which direction you're turning. Some of the safety features that you'll get are the blind spot detection, the rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, and lane keep assist, smart cruise control, forward collision avoidance as well. You'll have your parking sensors for the vehicle. You will also be able to have the smart cruise control. The smart cruise control is going to be where, say you're set to 75 and the car in front of you is going 60, you'll automatically slow down to 60, or to the vehicle in front of you's speed. If they stop, you'll stop. Once they go, after 3 seconds, you'll go as well. So all you're doing is steering, it's controlling your speed. Alright, so right now we are on the normal setting for the drive mode, and you know, feels pretty smooth, nothing too crazy, just regular commuter driving. We also have, we'll try out the sport mode later on, and when you change your drive mode, you'll be able to see on the instrument cluster that everything changes. So when you go to sport mode, everything goes red. When you go to normal, smart, or custom, everything will go back to blue. Alright, and right into here, we're gonna check out the turn radius on the Sonata. As you know, or if you've done research, Hyundai is known for their turn radius. So even though this is a longer car, we will be able to have a real tight turn radius to minimize that 3-point turn, which is very helpful if you have narrow streets. So that was the 360 of the Sonata. As you can see, it was pretty tight of a turn radius. So again, it'll help you with that, minimize that 3-point turn. So right now we'll head back to the dealership. On the way back, we'll put it into sport mode and get a feel for that one. Alright, so like I said, in sport mode, it'll give you more of that get up and go. It'll also stiffen up the steering wheel to give you better control when you're on the higher speeds. Some of the other features you'll get with this car, it being the Limited, is the full leather seats. You'll get memory seats, your Bose sound system, your heads-up display, 10.25-inch touchscreen with the built-in navigation. You'll get your 12-inch cluster screen as well, all LCD, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, and a lot more. And you can check out the video on the walkthrough on the Sonata we posted earlier. That's our video for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment.